To Hogan from Mama and Bob. Say thank you.
You're welcome. You don't even know what it is.
Thank you. Rip right here. Rip it.
You sure you don't want this by Daddy Mac?
Oh,
I just didn't know.
there you go. There you go. Now you're getting it. Make the bag. You're really slow at this opening presents thing. Most kids would have had all of them done by now.
Right there he goes.
You're gonna have a Are you tired?
He's struggling just a little.
Oh, somebody with tape happy.
Well, I had to wrap it 3 times. I'm taping you, Logan. I taped all your birthdays, so you might as well just get going here.
Just to make him a big rip.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Grab it right here and yank it. There you go.
Just rip the top of it. It's okay.
Grab it and rip. There you go. Now move on. Put that one down. And grab this piece and rip it. There you go. Keep going.
It's funny. I said, "I'm ready to go to your house." He says, "I'm ready. I want to go see Dustin and Mommy." So he said, "I want to go see Dustin and Mommy."
Yeah.
Rip some more up top.
Alright, grab right here. Rip. There you go. There you go.
It's okay. Just rip the rest of it. It's okay. Rip the top of
It has taken 2 minutes and 45 to open this one present. Now, what is it?
Turn it over. Watch out. What is it?
Say geez, Mama.
What is that?
I'm 3. Not as rocket scientist.
What is it? Hey, what is it?
What is that?
It's a bed. Are they in a bed?